chicken Alfredo. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Chicken breast. We're going to cut these suckers into chicken cutlets. Italian seasoning. Whatever season makes your heart a little happy, use it. Garlic powder. Some red pepper. Some onion powder. Get you some penne noodles and cook them just like the back says. Get you a tiny bit of that olive oil and them seasonings that you fry that chicken in. Get you a pint of heavy cream. We are going to add 1 block of cream cheese. We are going to add the same seasonings we did to our chicken. Red pepper, Italian seasoning, garlic powder. Get you some shredded Parmesan cheese of any kind. And we're going to add some of that over into there. It should thicken up. Drain your noodles and add your noodles. Then get your chicken that you fried. We are going to cut it up. Add your diced chicken and stir. Beef enchiladas. Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. Delish. This is all you will need for this recipe. A pound of ground beef, some red enchilada, some Mexican style cheese, Kobe Jack, whatever you prefer. Get you a pack of taco seasoning or make your own. And get you 8 to 10 tortillas. Cook that hamburger meat. This is the sides. Famous seasoned fries and some cheese sauce. Just warm this up. Cook these according to the package. And then I got me some chicken bites. These are really good. Drain your grease. Add your taco seasoning in. And add 3/4 cup of water. Get your beef. Put your beef in here. Then get your cheese. Put your cheese in here. Get you some kind of baking dish. We're just going to roll them up. Get you a can of red enchilada sauce. Pour over. You can do 2 cans. I do 1. Get the rest of that cheese. Preheat your oven to 350. We're going to bake for 10 minutes. They're done. Bacon jalapenos. Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. Delish. Ooh, looky there. Oh my gorgeous, gorgeous bow. I have some freshly grated sharp cheddar cheese, 2 jalapenos, 6 pieces of bacon chopped up, and 8 ounce of cream cheese. Pink, baby, pink. Mix, mix, mix. Use some garlic powder, some onion powder. Form them into balls. Get you a sheet, line it with some parchment paper. We are going to stick these in the ice box for 30 minutes. Yeah, Bo, my gorgeous, gorgeous Bo. I got a bowl of flour, 3 eggs, and I got some seasoned breadcrumbs, frozen balls. Roll it in flour. Roll it in the egg. Then put it in your crumbs, your breadcrumbs. Just let them cook for 1 minute. Butterfinger balls. Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. Yes, Butterfinger balls. My gorgeous, gorgeous, lovely bow. This is the peanut butter. Jif all the way. 1 cup. 1/4 of softened butter. I say vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon, honey, I mean about 4. Two cups of powdered sugar. Keep on mixing. You can use the hand mixer all you want, but hun, we're going to use these muscles right here. Some Butterfinger bites, or you can get you a Butterfinger and crumble it up. Hun, when they came out with these, they knew Tasha needed it. So just mix that up again. Just use your hands. Just mix them bad boys around. Your Butterfinger balls, and roll them into balls. I like to do bite-sized balls so it can be equal, like about that size. I'm gonna put this in the ice box for like 15 minutes. It made 25 balls. The chocolate I'm using. Screenshot it. It's good and melted. Down in there. Set it on your parchment paper. While they're still good and wet, get your Butterfingers. Sprinkle some on the top of theirs. They're all finished. I'm going to throw these in that ice box for literally 3 minutes. Not even that. Baked French onion pork chops. Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. Delish. 3 big pork chops in here. I'm going to set them to the side. I washed them, put them in a casserole. Oh my gorgeous, gorgeous bow. 1 can of cream of mushroom. Drop a daisy. I'm going to use about 1 cup of sour cream. Give that a good mix. Pepper. Onion powder. Season it, whatever makes your heart a little happy. Some salt. Garlic powder. Give it another good mix. And coat it really good. Get you some parsley, put it on the top. This is just optional, you don't have to. It just makes them look good and pretty. Get you some crispy fried onions. We're gonna lemon full. Preheat your oven to 350. Bake for 45 minutes. Depending on your oven, sometimes it can range from 45 to 60 minutes. But just keep a close eye on it. You don't want to burn it.